Welcome to all my extraordinary learners. Today we will discuss very interesting and important topic of structure of atom. It is electronic configuration. Other than this, learning outcomes will be above principle, Pauli's exclusion principle and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Yes, electronic configuration. What is it? How it is defined? Dear learner, this is defined as distribution of electrons in different orbitals in an atom. So it is guided by three further rules which should be considered when we will distribute electrons in different orbitals. What are these? Above principle, Pauli's exclusion principle and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. What is Pauli's this above principle? It says that when we fill electrons in orbitals, then orbitals which are having minimum energy, they are filled first, then followed by with higher energy orbitals. Okay, orbitals are filled with increasing order of their energy. Means orbitals with minimum energy, they are filled first, then the other with having higher energy. So how we come to know that which will have minimum energy? But different analysis we had find out. This is the pattern which is according to their energy level. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 4p, 5s, like this. Further, so how to regenerate? Either you remember it as usual, or this is the tip how we regenerate this your order of the increasing energy. So first write 1s, then 2s, 2p is second cell mean second cell 2s, 2p, third 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f also there, then 5s, 5p, 5d, like this 6s, 7s, whatever values you required. Then how to read? Now you will start like arrow, up to down, right? Then up to down, like this. All the diagonally one after another, up to down arrow you will put here. Okay. Then you will read how it is. Generate 1s, then go back. You will not continue from here this way. You will after arrow you will again go to this tail to arrow head like this. 1s, 2s, you will see, then 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, yes, 4p, right? 3d is there, 4s, 4p, 5s. So what is here written? Here it is 3p, 4s, 3d, right? We can 4s, 3d, 4p, then 4p, then 5s. So means we can capture our mistake even if it is written wrong. So this is correct now. This is the order which is according to above principle. Alright, right? Second, your rule, Pauli's exclusion. What it says that in an orbital, maximum 2 electrons with opposite spin can be accommodated. Maximum 2 electrons, right? Maximum 2 electrons, but with opposite spin are accommodated. How they are represented? If an orbital is represented by a circle, then they are like this, opposite arrows. Yes, this is about your Pauli's exclusion principle. Third is your Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. This rule applicable for the orbital where it having more than one orbital, means with same energy, known as degenerate orbitals. When we fill electron in degenerate orbitals, what are degenerate orbitals? which are having same energy. For example, in P subshell, we are having 3 orbitals, Px, Py, Pz, right? So when I will fill electron in these 3, that case, how to distribute electron? For example, 4 electron I have to fill in P orbital, right? So then how to distribute? This rule say that electronic pairing start only if all are singly filled. Means how I will distribute electron? I will fill one electron with each orbital. Okay? Then the pairing of electron will start. I cannot fill 2 here, right? This remain empty. So this is not done by according to this. It says that all will first get one electron, then I will pair and that single one more electron, if it is the example, it will come here. Okay? Means all the electrons will first singly filled, then the pairing of electron is started. That is according to Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. So these 3 rules should be in consideration when we will write electronic configuration. Let us have some example to clear our concept. Okay, I will write electronic configuration for oxygen, atomic number 8, right? So it is written as 1s. This then I will use 1s. As you know, maximum how many electron? 2, right? Then 2s2, 2p4. Okay? Or how can write it? I can write it the nearest noble elements symbol in square bracket, then the valence shell's electronic configuration. Helium, then 2s2, 2p4. These are the same, but the method of writing is different. Now next example is magnesium. Mg, atomic number 12, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Right? Same this that you have to remember. This is according to increasing order of their energy. Okay? So here it can be written as neon 3s2 because this is the nearest noble gas. Then valence shell having the electron that we have to write. Let us take an example of magnesium ion. Now here we have to conscious. Yeah, why? Because magnesium ion and magnesium atom here we get sometime exchange disturbed, but you know magnesium ion having 10 electrons, not 2 are lost. So according to this electron we have to distribute electron 1s2, 2s2, 2p, right? It is just like the neon. But we can write it like this: helium 2s2, 2p6. Okay. So these are some examples. But you know everywhere exceptions are there. Here also few elements show exceptional electronic configuration. What are these? These are up to atomic number 30. We are having 2 known as chromium and copper. So what is the reason behind this exceptional electronic configuration? Always remember, whenever exception is there, that is only for the sake of stability. For the stability, atoms combine to give molecule, right? Different reactions takes place around us only for the stable products to form. They want to change their state because previous state is not stable, so they move to the another state to become more stable. That can be exceptional step, but they continue. Yeah, here also this exceptional electronic configuration is due to 2 very important reasons which leads to the stability. What is this? Symmetrical distribution of electrons and high exchange energy. Let us first deal the example, then how these are applied there. Okay, so let us take example of chromium. Chromium is atomic number having 24. So write electronic configuration. what is expected according to these rules? That is here 4 argon, 4s2, 3d4. This is expected, but it is not the actual one. What is the actual one? That is here. What happens? Because one electron jump from the 4s2 to 3d, and it got now electronic configuration 4s1 3d5. This is the actual electronic configuration. Now question arises in this tricky mind that why is this? So these are the two reasons, right? These are the two reasons. Why? Because now see here we are having 5 orbitals in the d subshell, right? 5 orbitals are there. Okay, if they are having this way electronic configuration, right? 3d4 are there. Now one is empty. This is an unnatural, means this is unstable distribution. It is not symmetrical. If 5 persons are there, 4 are eating their food, 5th one is just looking their mouth, so it is not stable. Same here, it is unstable electronic configuration. So if it got also one electron, the system becomes convenient or can eat easily, happily. Same here, this is the reason why one electron jump is there from 4s to 3d, and they get equal, they become fully half filled. Fully half filled, so it is more stable, distribution of electron is symmetrical and high exchange energy. Now when we check out their exchange energy, that is higher, so system is more stable. This is their reason behind the exception. Same is with copper 29, its electronic configuration is there, argon 4s1 3d 10. Here also one electron jump from 4s to 3d. Okay, the same reason here, but here it is fully filled in this case, copper in case of copper. So this is all about the electronic configuration. Yes, dear student, and the last, the not least, our thought of the topic is there. Never be limited by other people's limited imagination. If you think about the other people, that what they will be saying for your this action, then means you have shut already all the doors of possibilities for the success, right? Always see your inner capacity, your inner soul, what it is saying to you. Follow that signal. Don't follow the signals of others. Your indicators should be very perfect, right? To check out the possibilities, don't think, right? What? सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग? So don't think about others. You move ahead. When you will do the things extraordinary, people will also think about that. But why to praise? Why to satisfy others? We have to choose the way which is different from others and should be right. Okay, so with this I take your leave. Thank you very much. All the very best.